To help your B-Series tractor operate at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Cleaning and replacing the air filter is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. Your local Kubota dealer will have the correct parts. Obviously, you'll need a new filter if you are replacing it to complete this task. Shop towels will also be helpful. There are two air filter elements on your B2301, B2601, B2301-1, and B2601-1 series tractor. A primary and also a secondary element called the safety element. Under normal circumstances, you wouldn't need to do anything with the secondary element except when replacement is needed. We'll come back to that. There's also an evacuator valve in the air cleaner housing assembly that requires servicing. The evacuator valve should be opened once a week under ordinary conditions, or daily when used in a dusty place, in order to get rid of large particles of dust and dirt. To remove the filter, first open the hood, then clean any debris around the air filter housing using compressed air or a shop vacuum. Then release the clips holding the cover on the air filter housing. Remove the air filter. If it is dry dust adhering to the element, blow compressed air from the inside, turning the element to dislodge all of the debris. Or if the filter has carbon or oil on it, soak the element in detergent for 15 minutes, then wash it several times in water. Rinse with clean water and then air dry it. After the element is fully dried, inspect the inside of the element with a light to see if it is damaged or not. If damaged, replace with a new element. Now install the filter, the housing, and fasten the clips. Be sure to reinstall the cover with the arrow in the upright position. If the cover is improperly installed, debris could pass by the baffle and directly adhere to the air filter element. The primary air filter element should be cleaned every 100 hours. Both the primary and secondary air filter elements should be replaced every 1,000 hours or 1 year, whichever comes first. Be sure to consult the operator's manual for all of the maintenance intervals. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together we do more.